me in the face and busted out my tooth.
Oh my
there
God.
and she was bleeding real bad. I wasn't there. It was in the
All right, guys.
front.
So we're gonna prank. We're gonna prank Donovan. We took everything out of the fridge. Our very first prank that we ever did 4 years ago. This is like the same. Somebody watch. So we emptied the refrigerator, and so she's gonna get in the refrigerator, and then he's gonna come down and get a drink and be scared. So look, I put everything from the fridge, but you can't really see it, but it's out there on the table. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. Okay, so I'm going to put this camera in there with her, and then you just hang on to it, Jess. You just hang on to it until he comes out, so then that way you're like that, and you can get his whole reaction. So, alright guys, it's gonna go black for a minute, but give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Hold on. I got an idea. Let's send James down now, okay? Get back in the fridge. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. He'll come down next, okay? Alright guys, it's gonna get dark again.
That's what you get!
That was funny, huh? No. How'd you like it?
Good.
That was funny.
I thought you said we were gonna watch it through.
Right. So, if you guys like my prank on Donovan, give us a thumbs up, and what do you tell them?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe,
Like always.
and share the video, and what? And we got more stuff coming, don't we?
I don't even know.
Like, we're gonna prank Jasenia, because she just said, she was like, oh, y'all can't get me, you can't prank me. So she's next, right?
No, we should do it with her friends though, for real.
I know, we should prank her real good, huh?
We should lock her out the house and then
I know
or
what.
something like that.
Okay, so that's the deal. Jasenia is next. So give us a big thumbs up and share this video, and the next video will be Jasenia. So see you guys later.
Yeah, where'd Buddy go? He's on the stairs. Just sitting there. Oh, now he's coming out. Oh, I think that's Boob. You got that Boob. I gotta flip my husband. Whoa! That's why Mom sent me down here. That's exactly what Mom sent me down here. There's no more Pepsi.
No, there's no more Pepsi.
Mom! That's why you sent me down here.
Yeah! He's getting the drink! That's what you get!
That was funny, huh?